Affiliate marketing is like recommending your favorite products to a friend. But here's the exciting part. You get paid for it. It's a popular way to make money online because it's a win-win for everyone involved. You recommend great products, your audience discovers something new, and you earn a commission when they make a purchase. It's that simple. Imagine recommending a book you loved on your blog or social media. When someone clicks your unique link and buys the book, you get a percentage of the sale. That's affiliate marketing in action. The beauty of it is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're essentially connecting buyers to products they'll love and getting rewarded for it. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone with a website, blog, social media following, or even just an email list to earn passive income. Ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing with one of the biggest names in e-commerce? When it comes to affiliate marketing, Amazon is the undisputed king. With millions of products and a global reach, the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, is a powerhouse for earning passive income. Think about it. People from all walks of life shop on Amazon for everything from books and electronics to clothing and home goods. By joining the Amazon Affiliate Program, you gain access to this vast marketplace and the potential to earn commissions on a wide range of products. The program is free to join, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting with your online presence, Amazon welcomes you with open arms. Once you sign up, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote Amazon products. It's like having your own online store without the inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. Let's explore how this works in more detail. The beauty of the Amazon Affiliate Program lies in its simplicity. You share your unique affiliate link with your audience, and when someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as easy as that. Let's say you're a tech enthusiast with a blog about the latest gadgets. You come across a new pair of headphones on Amazon that you think your readers would love. You write a review, create a social media post, or simply mention it in your next blog article, making sure to include your affiliate link. A reader intrigued by your recommendation clicks on your link, lands on the Amazon product page, and decides to make a purchase. Even if they buy other items during that shopping session, you still earn a commission on everything in their cart. The commission rates vary depending on the product category, but rest assured, Amazon offers competitive rates that can add up quickly, especially with a large and engaged audience. Section 4. Your affiliate journey. From sign up to success. Joining the Amazon Affiliate Program is as easy as pie. Simply head over to the Amazon Associates website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your website or social media platforms. Once you're approved, it's time to start choosing products to promote. The key here is to focus on products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Think about the problems your audience faces, their interests, and what they're likely to buy. Next comes the fun part, promoting. Get creative and find ways to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into your content. Write product reviews, create comparison articles, share your favorite finds on social media, or even build a dedicated niche website. Remember, the key to success is to be authentic and helpful. Don't just promote any product for the sake of it. Instead, focus on providing value to your audience and recommending products you genuinely believe in. Section 5. The Amazon Advantage stats that speak volumes. Amazon's reach is undeniable. With over 300 million active customer accounts worldwide and a reputation for excellent customer service and fast shipping, it's no wonder that the Amazon Affiliate Program is a top choice for affiliate marketers. In fact, the program boasts millions of active affiliates, all earning commissions by promoting products to their audiences. The success stories are endless, with some affiliates earning a comfortable full-time income from the program alone. Amazon provides its affiliates with a wealth of resources, including detailed product information, tracking tools to monitor your earnings, and even ready-made banners and widgets to make promotion a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Join the millions of successful Amazon affiliates and unlock the potential of earning passive income by sharing your favorite products with the world.